Welcome to Classic Game Room, where I've got a game called DINO Land that sounds like a theme park, but actually, it's a pinball game for the Sega Genesis. Sounds like a good game, let's find out if it is.
Okay, let's do it.
I'll tell you, when I first saw this game, I was like, there's no way this isn't going to rock. Dinosaurs and pinball on the Sega Genesis? Move over Musha and Herzog's Why, here's a real contender. But after spending some time with it, not so much. DINO Land is quirky and interesting for a video game, but as a pinball machine, it's ill-conceived and lacking the excitement of real pinball. What you'll find yourself doing in DINO Land is shooting for the slot machine 95% of the time, which completely defeats the purpose of pinball. DINO Land turns into a game of chance more than a game of skill. And that's my primary issue with it, although I do like the instruction manual. Let's take a look at that, because it has a story and a lot of information about dinosaurs, and very little about how to actually play this game. Over 100 million years ago, in between the Jurassic and the Cretaceous periods, a prehistoric hero was born. A small and apparently insignificant dinosaur named Dino Buns. Which is like something you would say to a waitress at 3 a.m. in a diner and get slapped for it. Where's my onion rings, Dino Buns? Ow! Dino Buns, who apparently just gets up and slowly walks off the pinball machine here, finds out that he can roll himself up into a ball and knock down the mightiest of dinosaurs. His sweetheart, Michelle, is captured by a gigantic, vicious, carnivorous dinosaur, and he has to save her. Well, he should learn to pick a fight with herbivores. They're a bunch of pussies. The easiest way to defeat a herbivore is to take away their salad and slap them with their own Birkenstocks. I really wanted to like this game, but it's one of these pinball machines where you need to keep the ball on the top level of the playing field because there's less chance of losing it, and what you're supposed to do is hit the slot machine over and over again. Now, there's some way that you're supposed to be able to fight the dinosaurs in Dino mode during the boss battles, but I never figured it out, and the instruction manual spends far more time teaching you about dinosaurs than telling you how to play the game, leaving me confused and pretty disinterested in this one. It's just a glorified slot machine with dinosaurs that also violates one of the major rules of pinball. It's true, Section B, Paragraph 21. Any pinball machine featuring dinosaurs must also include on the artwork or back glass a volcano spewing lava, as well as a hot cave woman, in their words, wearing a cleavage-bearing saber-toothed tiger skin miniskirt holding a spear. It goes on to state that ray guns and magic swords are also acceptable in place of the spear as long as she looks determined. Determined at what? I don't know. This is written in the 70s. Now, the packaging artwork does have volcanoes spewing lava, but they're still in violation of the law. There's better video game pinball games out there, but that doesn't stop me from giving a huge shout-out thank you to our good friend Felicity in Worcestershire, England, for sending this game to the show. She also sent Super Robot Pinball for the Game Boy, which is 1,000 times better than this one. So I'll recommend Super Robot Pinball, but not DINO Land. It's kind of boring and doesn't have ray guns.